Here's how to play Steam games on your mobile phone. So first of all, open the Steam app on your PC and click on Steam, open Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Remote Play and enable Remote Play. Now go to your smartphone, go to App Store or Play Store and search for Steam Link and install this Steam Link app on your smartphone. Once it's installed, open the Steam Link app, allow all permissions, tap on Get Started, and here it may take some moments to scan your computer in here. Once scanned, here you will find your computer name, or you can tap on other computer to manually add. So I'm selecting my computer here, and now we have to pair our phone with computer. So I'm just typing this code on my PC and clicking on confirm, and now it may take some times to test network and connect your Steam with your PC. Once network test complete, tap on OK, and now just tap on start playing. And that's it. As you can see, my Steam successfully connected with PC. Now here you can actually scroll down and find out the game that you want to play, or you can choose it from your PC. So let's select any random game to play. So here we can see the controller. You can move your game forward, backward, right and left using these controllers. So this is how we can actually play Steam games in our mobile phone. Thanks for watching.